Guys, now I realized why my grand uncle Jerry Elizalde Navarro looked for me when I was young. I was 15, 16, 17, 18. He trained me in his home in BF Homes, Paranaque. When I was 18 years old up to 20, he looked for me and he trained me in his home and imparted to me a legacy. Now I understand why he looked for me and really tried his best to keep me under his tutelage. It is because he saw a future.
That's at Context of the Philippines. Isang magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. We would like to welcome you all here at the historic Metropolitan Theater for this special occasion. One that recognizes the legacy of our talented individuals' identity, our national heritage, and artistic development. Their works are timeless, helping us toward a deeper understanding of who we are as Filipinos. This year, as we honor the 100th birth anniversary of our four national artists, the NCCA, in partnership with the Philippine Postal Corporation, we bring you four special stamps of our national artists, Alejandro Roses, F. Shanil Jose, J. Elizalde Navarro, and Eddie Romero. These stamps, although small in size, carry with them a bigger meaning. They reflect the lives and the continued relevance of these four extraordinary national artists. We not only celebrate their past achievements, but this is also a movement toward the future of our country's arts and culture, continuing to draw inspiration from their work as we move forward. Continue to remember the legacy of these national artists' lives and take this time to reflect on the lasting contributions of the four of them.
Hapon po sa inyo lahat. To the Deputy Executive Director for Operations, Mr. Bernard Joseph Corpus, to the families of the four national artists which have been pride of the country, to the Assistant Postmaster General, the Deputy for Operations, Attorney Toco, Attorney Davy Serrano, for support services, the staff committee, which are the ones who has really put up all of this, including Mr. Rene Peñas, who's been working this hard for the last few months to put up these special stamps. Well, Mr. Manalo, the Chairman Tino Manalo is not around, but I'm sure his spirit is within this launching. To our esteemed guests, or to all the NCCA people, magandang hapon na rin po sa inyo. So to our colleagues and fellow Filipinos, today we gather to celebrate the lives and legacies of four extraordinary individuals who have shaped the cultural landscape of our nation. These national artists, Mr. Alejandro Roses, Mr. Shanil Jose, Mr. Elizalde Navarro, and Mr. Eddie Romero, have left an indelible mark on Philippine literature, arts, and cinema. As we unveil these commemorative stamps, we pay homage to their invaluable contributions to our rich cultural heritage. Their works have been inspired generations, challenged the status quo, and ignited the Filipino spirit. Si Mr. Alejandro Roses po is a master of the stage and screen, brought to life the stories of our people, capturing the essence of our nation's history and
And a wonderful Christmas and New Year. This is Payabang Haiti, Pilipinas.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello po. He's Carlo from Philippine Daily Inquirer. A correspondent journalist. Very young guy.
Oh, thank you very much.
Very young and talented. Carlo
Rojas.
Rojas. Carlo Rojas. Okay. Nice to meet you, Carlo.
Nice to meet you. Thank you very much.
He saw a future that must not be forgotten, to continue his legacy in painting and the arts as one of the national artists of the Philippines. He was bestowed as the National Artist of the Philippines or 1996, I think, as the maestro in painting and multimedia. And this, guys, is a milestone in a person's life, especially for artists here in the Philippines. Transcends beyond time. It's like immortal. It's like a celebration that will happen for many years, many decades, and many generations will celebrate his life and legacy.
Mm.